Welcome back to Patman Garage. I've recently found a updated video. Granted, the video is a year old, but it's update new to me. But I actually found the IIHS video where they discuss their extreme crash testing they did on their Super Crew last year. Now this video came out. My video from the reaction came out on November 4th, and then their updated video came out on November 30th. But again, of last year, we'll take a look at exactly what they said they did, and there's a little bit more behind the scenes footage of mounting and discussing how much weight they put in the truck, and then we can compare to what I said. So let's give this a shot here.
At our Vehicle Research Center, where we run all sorts of crash tests for consumer information. But Raul, I wanted to talk about a couple really interesting tests we recently did. We basically took several vehicles and put a lot of weight into them. Why did we run these tests?
We took some old junkers, we took some heavy steel plates and concrete blocks, actually some of these concrete blocks that we see behind us. We got their mass up to about 9,500 pounds, and what we wanted to do was check out our propulsion system to make sure that we could tow in a vehicle that weighs a whole lot more than we're used to testing.
Let's talk about the results. So we used an F-150, we loaded it up with weight.
Yeah.
What was the target speed we were trying to hit?
The target speed was 40 miles an hour. Now, it doesn't sound incredibly fast, some people that, especially if you're driving along the highway, but all of our frontal crash tests are conducted at a maximum speed of 40 miles an hour. That goes for our moderate overlap crash and our small overlap crashes on the left and right side of the vehicle. So we wanted to make sure that at our maximum frontal crash speed, we'd be able to test the vehicles, and we were successful.
Okay, so we took this old F-150, 9,500 pounds. We got
Whoa,
about 600
old?
feet of runway.
Calm
We were able
down.
to get it up to 40 miles per hour.
We were able to get it up to 40 miles an hour and hold that speed. It worked.
Well, thank you so much, Raul, for your time.
You're welcome.
All right, so the verdict is that was quite a bit more weight than what I originally estimated. I was estimating 1,500 to 2,000 pounds in the bed, and that was just guessing based off how much movement and damage there was. So if we go to this chart here and we look at a Super Crew 4-wheel drive, it was a Lariat trim, so we'll assume that it's got the 5.4 in it here. And our total weight is 5,100 pounds. So I was accurate with that number on my side. And then they said they were targeting 9,500 pounds total. So that means they actually had just a hair over 4,000 pounds in that truck, which is just bonkers. That's more than double what it was rated to carry. So they almost tripled the payload capacity if they put 4,000 pounds in it. More than doubled, almost tripled it. They almost tripled it, and like I said, that's just crazy. Crazy numbers. And on top of that, they did not even do a good job securing it to the bed. Now, granted, had they secured it better, it probably would have just pulled the anchors out of the bed. But yeah, I mean, either way, that's crazy numbers. So like I said in my previous video, where somehow at the end of the video the audio got desynced, so I apologize for that. But I don't really view this as an accurate crash test of the 10th gen. Everyone has seen the extended cab crash test, which is quite infamous on the internet as well. And yeah, it's that one's not good, but extended cabs are built a little different too, because they don't really have a B pillar. But yeah, like I said, I wouldn't worry too much about it. I did want to put the updated video together here, just to kind of get some more information out there, get some more eyes on it. And so I recently came across that update video, or explanation video, I guess would be a better way to call it. And like I said, there was some extra footage that was behind the scenes stuff there, so wanted to wanted to let y'all have your eyes on that, and I will link that actual video down in the description as well. But for now, I appreciate you guys, and I will catch you in the next one.